Hello, everyone. You're watching Data Analytics Channel. Let's see today's topic. Well, in this lecture series, this is lecture series about SQL for data analysts and data scientists. And current topic for this lecture is Union All. This is lecture number 29, given by myself, Shahnaz Malik. And let's quickly jump into the core of this lecture. So as you can see on the screen, the SQL union operator is used to combine the result set of two or more like statements, and I have already talked about this in my previous lecture. But now to allow duplicate values, we use basically union all. Now the conditions remains pretty much the same, and the syntax is pretty much same, except that you have this union all and not only union, and then rest it's basically the same. And to see how it works and what differences it has, for that we have to go and open our SQL Server Management Studio and have a look. Okay. Now, as you can see now, the SQLs, I have already opened my management studio, and it's simple. The task is for union all, pretty much same as we did in last exercise, but this time we'll use union all, and we'll see the differences between union and union all. And first of all, I have changed little bit of the query. I'm trying to find like be and be hyphen, okay, and I have changed the column name. Last time we were using and trying to find things in the name column, but this time we have chosen product number. Okay, now uh this okay, now let's first see, let's come back to union. And I will first, to understand union all, you need to first understand union, and I'm executing this query. So what you see, I do have bb ball bearing and headset ball bearing. Okay, so be is in here, and be is here because we are trying to match for, like be and hyphen and only be. So we have product ID 3 and 4, and we have received two records only. Okay, and when we have received two records, when we used union, and if I'm going to now use union all, okay, union all and same query, let's see what happens. Now if you see, I have this ball, bb ball bearing twice. Okay, so the duplications are allowed when you are using union all. Okay, and if you see, same thing happens here. So when you execute query with union all, duplicates are allowed. But if you execute union only, the duplicates are removed. That's the only difference. Okay, that's the very important difference that you have to remember. I'm going to keep it like this. And I hope it's very simple. Just please go into my previous lecture, check first union, and once you check the union and then come back to here, use I have used this on Adventure Works 2017. I think in even 2014 should work. If I use 2014 and same query, you see it's working because the data is not much changed in these upgraded versions. So whether you have 2017 or you have Adventure Works 2014, it should work. Basically the query is simple. You select, you give the column names, okay, from the table where you put the condition where product number is like, and I'm trying to search something, which matches be and be hyphen, and that's what we received. And queries are pretty much same. Here I will allow the duplications, and here I have these, okay, product number, and here I am getting what I am requesting. So keeping this lecture very simple, to the point, and I hope you like it. So if you like the lecture, so please subscribe and connect to my account if you haven't until now, and please hit the notification bell so that you get notified as soon as I upload new videos. And I hope to see all of you in next videos. Until then, thank you all for watching Data Analytics Professionals. Remember, sharing is caring. With that, it is indeed time to say goodbye. Stay safe.